Hey there, Tom Olsewski here, and I want to welcome you back to our video blog, and thank you for stopping by. Our topic today has been based around some questions we've been getting asked frequently. With home prices on the rise, many people are considering doing a home improvement project. It's also important when the market slows up slightly as more homes become available. Buyers get fussy and they want to see turnkey homes if you are looking to get top dollar in the Temecula Valley and Southwest Riverside County areas. I want to share with you today the 5 home improvements that are guaranteed to boost your home's value. Now, before we get into that, as always, I want to share some great free resources that are on the video blog. If you're considering buying a home, click on the Search for Homes link. I'll give you a gateway access to the MLS and all the homes for sale throughout Temecula Valley and Southwest Riverside County. If you've been looking for a home and you just can't seem to find one, send me a message, as our office has off-market properties and we can get you access before the home comes on the market. These are not on the market, nor are they available through any other broker or online home search now. If you're considering selling, click on the home value link, which will give you an instant estimate of your home values, along with some tips and ideas to increase your home's value that we're going to talk about on the rest of this video blog post. So back to the topic of 5 great home improvement tips that are guaranteed to boost your home's value. Now, starting with number 1, it's really related around first impressions. And as the saying goes, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. That starts with the front door of your home. A front door replacement can run anywhere from $700 to $5,000, but on average, according to the National Home Remodelers Association, you can expect at least 125% return on the replacement of a front door. And just to give you an idea here, you can see some pictures of before and after what it looks like when you replace a front door with something that's really sharp looking and really pops. Number 2 is also related to doors. So now we're talking about interior doors. Interior doors are very inexpensive and you can typically find locally. There's a company here in Temecula called Hank's Hardware or Lowe's or Home Depot. All have options that for $100 to $200 per door, you can get your interior doors replaced with some nice, either 6-panel or Bellagio style doors. We'll upgrade the look as well. If you already have decent interior doors, at the very least, you may consider replacing those old, what we call trashy, brassy handles with something more contemporary, either the oil bronze or the brushed nickel styles, and you can see what that looks like from some of these before and after photos as well. Now, finally, coming back to the front of the house again, the garage door is an item that typically will increase the home's value and the curb appeal substantially. I have some more before and after examples, and it makes a world of a difference on the curb appeal of the home. And again, that's a project that's going to return well over 100% of the money invested. Now, if you're thinking about projects, number 4 is going to be a little bit more significant, or going to require a little bit more time and money, and that's a kitchen remodel. And kitchen remodels can go from something as basic as simply repainting the cabinets in your kitchen, and if you have tile counters, maybe replacing them with granite or a hard surface. And a remodel in that range can run you about $5,000. If you're going to go with a full-blown kitchen remodel where people can spend $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, but what we can tell you is kitchens sell houses, and I would say in today's market right now, a good kitchen remodel, if done on a reasonable budget, will pay 2 times to 3 times the return on the dollars invested. And then finally, number 5 is a bathroom remodel. Now, bathroom remodel, again, you can spend as little as $3,000 on a half bathroom. Maybe a typical hall bathroom, you're going to spend a little bit less. Master bedroom, you could spend much more depending upon the price point of the home. So I want to do is also point out a link on the video blog here. If you read in the text below, there is a link to the National Association of Home Remodelers Cost versus Value Survey. So if you're considering doing a particular home improvement project, the data is here. We have it for you. If you click on the link, you can take a look at what a home improvement project you're evaluating. Take a look and see if it's really going to make sense for you. So those are the top 5 home improvement projects to maximize the value of your home. Work on that front door, look at redoing your interior doors, the garage door, your kitchen and or your bathrooms. If you'd like any personal one-on-one advice in this area, we'd be happy to come and do a home equity analysis for you. When we walk through your home, we make an assessment of which areas of the home could use the most improvement and would likely pay the biggest dividend. We want to thank you again for watching the video this week, and thank you for stopping by. As always, I'm Tom Olsewski with Team Olsewski and Coldwell Banker. Say, make it a great day.